So it's Tuesday, weekend done, back from Oliver's Mount. I'm still knackered. It's been a tough weekend, stressful, but it looks like we've won the Classic Superbike Championship. So I'll say congratulations to Aaron if he happens to be watching this video. So yeah, still recovering. I'm knackered. I'm a lightweight. Had a few beers when I was there in the beer tent celebrating on the Saturday night because of Aaron's results. He took 2/3, but we're that far ahead with the points. We decided not to race the last race, so we got packed up early and set off home a bit earlier. Anyway, I'm up today. I had the day off yesterday, Monday, chilled out, did a few bits and bobs, had a look at the footage that I got from Oliver's Mount, which I'll upload some of it shortly. And today, Tuesday, I thought I'd best get bashed on and do some work in the garage. So this is what I'm doing. I've decided to have a bit of a move around. So I've got stuff all over in the workshop. It's an absolute pigsty in here. I just want to make it more workable through the winter because I want to get on with a few projects. So, as you'll see, I've got shit absolutely everywhere. Got all that on the floor. That was in my service trolley, and I took the service trolley to Oliver's Mount to use so we could work more efficiently over the weekend. But yeah, I'm having a move around, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them shelves are going to go there. I've measured it and I think they fit. So I've got a load of shit on these shelves. I've got absolutely all sorts on them. That's off a TZR 125. It's an import one, it's plastic tank. I've had that in my attic for long enough. This is off an RD 125, RD 200DX. This is off a scooter, another project I've been meaning to get on with for a long time. It's off a Vespa. It weighs a lump, to be honest, so heavy. Obviously, more bits off that. I've got loads of DTR 125 bits. Tank there. Plastics there. All these boxes I think are full of DTR. Got some engine cranks, bottom ends off DTRs. Lots and lots of bits, just all sorts of crap really. I've got a load of weights down there from when I was doing weights. I'm going to clean them up and sell them. I've got all I need, plenty. Another box of shite down there, don't even know what's in there. I have no clue what them discs are off. God, I'm a hoarder. Boxes and boxes of crap. I don't even know what these are off. Not got a clue. Chain that's probably been on something and then I broke it and then I've kept it for some reason. Another one. Gate hinges. Some random pipe, because pipe always comes in handy. Side stand off summit, don't know what. Random sprocket. That's off some old. Air filter off summit, God knows. Caliper. Starter. God knows. A little shock off summit. So I've got the first shelf unit moved, and I've had to do a bit of I've had to make some cuts to get it to fit. I've had to take a bracket out of here, holding it up, and I've had to put a cut there to move it in so that I get the next shelf moved into that corner. Hopefully there's enough room and it's going to fit. If it doesn't, it's going to be an absolute nightmare because I'm going to have to cut a bit more out of that to move it further along. Done a few hours graft now. And as you'll see, things are looking a little different. Still a mess though. So I've got those 2 shelve units off the back wall, and I've got them over there. I've got stuff that I use so that I can reach them. Obviously I've got these 3 bikes here tucked out the way until I do something to them. Classic super bike. Obviously this won the championship this weekend just gone, so this can be just here under some rags sold, under some old sheets for now, until I get back on to doing some jobs to it. Have absolutely no idea where I'm going to put this, so if I have to put it over there, there's going to be a load of stuff to move to put it over here. Yeah, getting a bit stuck. It'd be nice if it was over there, but then obviously all that'll need to go somewhere. I got invaded with flies last year, look. I've had these all over the garage. Everywhere I've been pulling stuff out, there's been all these flies. Day 2, and I'm just about done. So we've got everything moved from the back, and we moved it onto that back wall there. So I've still got quite a bit to do, as you can see. Obviously them panels down there, they're to be painted, get them prepped up and painted. Got the paint for them actually. Just started putting a few things on the wall, get everything off the floor. This is going to be me alloy welding bench to do the wheels on and stuff. I still need to sort something out there. Obviously there's stuff there to sort out, chargers want to go on the wall or whatnot. Ultrasonic cleaner, it'll do there for now. Ideally could do with another place, get rid of some of the crap off them shelves, go on one of them shelves. I still have loads of stuff to go out of here. Obviously there's lots of engine bits to go through. Get put on the old eBay. May as well get some money in for them. There's a few bikes to build up yet though, so I've got plenty of projects to be getting on with. And obviously the main one is the GPZ 900, so I'm going to get pushed on with this job now. It's going to be quite a big project, but I'm going to see how quick I can get it done. I'll put updates on my channel when I start this one, so I'll probably start this next. Also, we've got this one here to do, so I'm probably going to try and run this project at the same time. But before all that, I'm going to get on with this. So this is going to be a car for my missus to run round in. It looks a lot worse than what it is. You can have a look on the channel, you'll see what it looked like before. Obviously I've started to repair this now. She's having a multitude of problems with her car, so I'm going to get this done for her. She can run around in this, and I'm going to sort her car out, and then I'll sell that and then get her something else. But yeah, she'll be using this once I get it finished and in paint and put back together. So I better get cracked on, and I'll see you in the next video.